Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffin mix. First, let's gather our ingredients and prepare our baking station. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil ready. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line your muffin tin. Now let's combine our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It's important to mix these thoroughly to ensure the leavening agent, baking powder, is evenly distributed. This step prevents pockets of unmixed ingredients and helps your muffins rise beautifully and consistently. Next, we'll bring in the wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil until they are fully combined. Now, gently pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is moistened. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing develops gluten, making muffins tough. Spoon the batter into your prepared muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full, and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. For truly perfect muffins, remember these key tips. First, resist the urge to overmix. A slightly lumpy batter yields a tender crumb. Second, fill your muffin cups only 2/3 full to allow for proper rising without overflowing. If you're adding mix-ins like blueberries or chocolate chips, fold them in gently right after combining the wet and dry ingredients. Finally, let your delicious muffins cool on a wire rack for about 5 minutes before enjoying them warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.